Okay, this is my 1962 801 Select-A-Speed Ford tractor. It is 4-cylinder gas. It is a 5-speed Select-A-Speed. Has 3-point hydraulics on the rear. Also has a live PTO. PTO on the rear has been replaced. Also has auxiliary hydraulics right back here on the back. Brand new lines, everything. I'm just picked it up Saturday from in Kansas City, Missouri, and I just want to show that just with a little bit of time and patience, anything is possible. This tractor is a turnkey start tractor. That right there is sitting at idle. Everything works. It is still chained down to the trailer that I brought it home on. Otherwise, I would show that the 3-point hydraulics work. Motor was rebuilt about 6.5 years ago, and it has less than 100 work hours on it. $2,500 is the asking price, as it is.